Hello everyone, I am your maths faculty Novesh Yogi in front of you from Career Point. Here today we will discuss about maths part of NTSC stage 1 of Tamil Nadu. Okay, so first of all starting with the first question of maths. So let's starting with the first question. The simplified value of 81 to the power 1 upon 4 minus 8 into 216 to the power 1 upon 3 plus 15 into 30 to the power 1 upon 5 plus root 225. Guys, this question is very easy. So we have to do only this. 81 to the power 1 upon 4, we can write this as 3 minus 8 into 6, okay, plus 15 into 2 plus 15. After solving, we will get 3 minus 48 plus 30 plus 15. All will be cancelled out, then answer will be 0. Okay, so option 3 is correct answer. Just go to next question. The next question is, which of the following statement is incorrect? First option is, every natural number is a whole number. This is true. Yes, this is true. Every natural number is whole number. Every integer is rational number. This is also true. Every rational number is a integer. No, every rational number is integer. Every integer is a rational number, but every rational number is integer is not true. Okay, not necessary, because every fraction is a rational number. Every fraction is rational number and integer can't be fraction. Okay, so iska matlab, that means option third is the correct answer. Every rational number is a real number. Yes, it is true. Every rational number is real number. Only false one is option 3. Okay, so easy. So easy question. Next question is, if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 7, then the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to, then x cube plus 1 upon x cube. So guys, जैसा आप जानते हैं, as you all know that a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b bracket a square plus b square, ठीक है, minus ab, यानी x into 1 upon 1. Is it clear? Now we can write this x plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2 minus 1. That will become x plus 1 upon x is equal to 7 and 7 square. X plus 1 upon x is equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 7 into 49 minus 3 is equal to 7 into 46. You will get 322. Second option is the correct answer. Is it clear? So this part complete. Okay, next question is, in the given figure, AB is equal to BC and angle A is equal to angle C. Then the value of x is, find the value of x. So x is equal to, guys, कितना होगा, एंगल B is equal to 55. तो यहां पर अगर हम देखें, इन ट्रायंगल ABD by angle sum property, angle A plus 55 degree plus 75 degree is equal to 180. So guys, angle A is equal to, डायरेक्टली कितना होगा, 70 and 50, 130, तो ये हो जाएगा 50 डिग्री. Angle A is equal to 50 degree. Because given that angle A is equal to angle C, then angle C also is equal to 50 degree. Now, in triangle BEC by angle sum property, 55 degree plus x plus angle C is equal to 180. Then you will get x is, and angle C is equal to 50. 50 plus 55 and x is equal to 75 degree. Okay, so option 4 is correct answer. Clear? Next question is, if the lateral surface area of cube is 196 centimeter square, that means given that LSA is equal to 196 centimeter square, LSA, what is the LSA of cube? 4a square is equal to 196, a square is equal to 49, then you will get a is equal to 7 centimeter. If you have a side, then now you have to find the volume. What will be volume? Volume is equal to a cube, yani 7 into 7 into 7 is equal to 343 centimeter cube. Is that clear? So option 4 is correct answer. Clear? So questions are so easy. The level of paper was so easy. Okay, but it depends on cutoff. Cutoff will should be high. Okay, if the mode of 4954949 and x minus 10 is 9, then find the value of x. What will be x? So यहाँ पर अगर हम observe करें, if you observe here, the frequency of 4, we know that what is mode? Maximum frequency of a number is called mode. इसका मतलब 4, frequency of 4 कितना है? 3, and frequency of 9 is also 1, 2 and 3. Now mode, what is mode? Mode is given that 9. Mode कितना given है? 9. और हमें जो next ये जो observation है, ये कितना given है? x minus 10 is 9. So obvious सी बात है कि जो frequency है, maximum frequency किसकी है? Maximum frequency number is 9. तो 9 की फ्रीक्वेंसी सबसे ज्यादा, इसका मतलब x माइनस 10 जो होगा, x माइनस 10 मस्ट बी इज इक्वल टू 9, बिकॉज इफ 9 comes 4 times, then 9 will be mode. It is given that 9 is a mode, so x minus 10 is equal to 9, so x is equal to 19. Option 4 is correct answer. I think maximum options are option 4. Next question is, if P upon Q and R upon S are any two rational numbers such that P upon Q is less than R upon S, then which of the following is true? Okay, so for this question we can take example like 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 2. We know that 2 upon 3 is less than 3 upon 2. Okay, so here this is the P by Q and this is R upon S. It is given that P by Q is less than R upon S, and as you know that 2 upon 3 is less than 3 by 2. If we add 2 plus 3 upon 3 plus 2, we will get 1. Okay, and value of this approximately 1.5 and this gives 0.6. ठीक है, तो यहां पर हम देखें 1, इसका वैल्यू कितना आया, यानी कि P प्लस R एंड Q प्लस S इज इक्वल टू कितना आ रहा है 1. तो ये तो कंफर्म है फॉर एवरी टू रेशनल नंबर इन विच 1 इज ग्रेटर देन अदर. तो यहां पर दिस कंडीशन ऑप्शन 1, दिस कंडीशन इज करेक्ट. P प्लस R Q प्लस S लेस देन R अपॉन S, यानी कि इनके बिटवीन वैल्यू होगा. P प्लस R अपॉन Q प्लस S इज बिटवीन P by Q and R upon S. Clear? If we solve P minus R and Q minus S, तो यहां पर हम देखते हैं P minus R 2 minus 3 upon 3 minus 2, तो यहां पर minus 1 upon 1 is equal to minus 1, and you know that minus 1 जो है वो इन दोनों से ही minus 1 will be less than 2 upon 3 और less than 3 upon 2. इसका मतलब ये तो ट्रू नहीं होगा, P अपॉन Q लेस देन R अपॉन S लेस देन P प्लस R Q प्लस S. तो यहां पर इस एग्जांपल में, फॉर दिस एग्जांपल, इस एग्जांपल से ही हम समझ गए हैं कि ओनली एंड ओनली वन कंडीशन कैन बी ट्रू. दिस इज P प्लस R Q प्लस S ग्रेटर देन P अपॉन Q एंड लेस देन R बाय S. इज दैट क्लियर? यहां पर ये कंडीशन भी फॉलो नहीं हो रही है, P plus R Q plus is less than P by Q and R upon S. क्योंकि अगर हम if we put any number P upon Q, P by Q, अगर हम कोई भी नंबर लेते हैं, let's suppose हमने लिया 5 upon 3, P by Q लिया 5 upon 3, तो यहां पर 3 point, ये होगा 1.6, और यहां पर हमने लिया R upon S is equal to हमने ले लिया 2. ठीक है, 25 upon 10 ये हमने ले लिया. तो 25 upon 10 ये हम जानते हैं, एज वी नो दैट 5 अपॉन 3 एंड 25 अपॉन 10, तो ये होगा 20, 25 प्लस 5 20, 30, और ये कितना होगा 13. तो 30 अपॉन 13 इट विल गिव यू 13, 2.3 विच इज लेस देन 2.5. सो इसका मतलब p प्लस आर q प्लस s इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन p बाय q बट लेस देन r अपॉन s. सो ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, by using example we can solve this. Okay, next question is the square root of a square plus b square plus 2ab is. the square root of ab, square root में as you all know that स्क्वायर रूट जब भी हम सॉल्व करते हैं तो एक वैल्यू प्लस का होता है, एक वैल्यू माइनस का होता है, क्योंकि माइनस का स्क्वायर ही प्लस होगा और प्लस का स्क्वायर ही प्लस होगा. सो ऑप्शन 3 इज करेक्ट आंसर बिकॉज a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab. इज दैट क्लियर? तो a प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू कितना होगा बेटा? प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab. अब a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर रूट का यहां पर ये प्लस माइनस है, इस तरफ हम प्लस माइनस से बोथ साइड मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये भी प्लस माइनस बन जाएगा. सो ऑप्शन 3 इज करेक्ट आंसर. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर नॉट अ पॉलिनोमियल? वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. This is not a whole number. -2 is not a whole number and this will give you x minus x to the power -1. This is also, ये नहीं होगा, ये नहीं होगा. √5y square. Here power of variable is whole number y to the power 1. This will be polynomial. And m square minus root m. root m means m to the power 1 upon 2. ठीक है, तो यहां पर क्या आ गया? 1 अपॉन 2 फ्रैक्शन आ गया. पावर फ्रैक्शन नहीं हो सकती, पावर शुड बी अ होल नंबर. दैट मीन्स विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर नॉट पॉलिनोमियल? सो ए, बी एंड डी आर नॉट पॉलिनोमियल. ऑप्शन 3 इज करेक्ट आंसर. वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इफ x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then which of the following is true? So x plus y plus z is equal to 0. This condition is fall only and only for x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. As you all know that if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then this RHS, whole RHS will be 0. Then you will get x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz if x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Is it clear? So option B, second option is the correct answer. Next question is the quotient and divisor are x square plus 3x plus 2 and x plus 5. If the remainder is equal to 0, then the corresponding polynomial is. So corresponding polynomial, what will be corresponding polynomial? Corresponding polynomial will be gx into qx plus rx which is equal to 0. Okay, gx is equal to है हमारे पास quotient gx is equal to x plus 5 into x square plus 3x plus 5. If we multiply this, then you will get x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 5x square plus 15x plus 3x square plus 15x and 3x. Okay, this will be 3x, 5x, ये होगा 5x, 5x square plus 15x plus 25. Okay, so if you divide 7, 8x, x cube plus 8x square, okay, it is 2. So यहां पर होगा 2, तो ये होगा 2x. This is 2x and this will be 10. तो ये 10 होगा. Then we will get 8x square plus 17x plus 10. So option first is the correct answer. Is it clear? So px is equal to this cubic. Okay. So I hope अभी तक के जो क्वेश्चन है that was so easy. ठीक है. The remainder when 3x cube minus 4x square minus 5 is divided by 3x plus 1. So final directly we will apply by remainder theorem. By remainder theorem we will get p remainder will be -1 upon 3. जैसे ही हम -1 upon 3 पुट करेंगे 3 into -1 upon 3 क्यूब minus 4 into minus 1 upon 3 square minus 5 minus 1 upon 9 minus 4 upon 9 and minus 5 is equal to, after solve we will get minus 50 upon 9. Option second is the correct answer. Is it clear? Okay, so next question is greatest common divisor of 25 L square m cube n to the power 4 49 x square y to the power 4 x z to the power 5 64 k p to the power 5 q to the power 8. यहां पर हर एक नंबर को देखने के बाद ऑब्जर्व करें कि यहां पर 25 49 64 जीसीडी ऑफ, सबसे पहले तो हम देख लेते थे 25 49 इज इक्वल टू कितना होगा 1 होगा. एंड नो एनी वेरिएबल इज कॉमन, नो एनी वेरिएबल इज कॉमन इन these three numbers. So that means HCF is equal to 1. Okay, no any variable is common. Okay, so option 3 is correct answer. 1. Next question is, in the given figure AB is parallel to CD. So AB is parallel to CD, the value of X is, this is also easy question. This angle, this line is parallel to this. If we draw this line parallel, then we will get this angle is equal to 125. By co-interior angle property, we will get this angle is equal to 55 degree, and this angle is equal to 35 degree. Okay, so X is equal to 55 degree plus 35 degree is equal to 90 degree. Option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, so this question was also easy. Next question is the number of circle that can be obtained through 3 non-collinear points. Guys, this concept belong to NCERT. NCERT में complete इसका जो है derive किया हुआ है, ठीक है. This concept completely given as a theorem. Okay, and we all know that only and only one circle can be passes through given 3 non-collinear points. So after the answer will be only and only 1. Okay, अगर हम इसे एक्सप्लेन करें तो हम यहां पर 3 नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स ले लेते हैं इस तरह से, एंड अब इनको कनेक्ट करते हैं. इफ वी कनेक्ट ए बी एंड सी. ओके, एज यू ऑल नो दैट द परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम द सेंटर टू द कोड बाइसेक्टर द कोड. ओके, सो यहां पर यानी कि सेंटर से जो लाइन परपेंडिकुलरली आती है और बाइसेक्ट कर, यानी परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर जो होगा कोड का वो सेंटर से होकर के आएगा. इज दैट क्लियर? पासेस थ्रू द सेंटर. सो यहां से हम इसके परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ कर देते हैं, एंड ये परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर हमने ड्रॉ कर दिया इस तरह से. तो यहां पर अगर आप परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर बनाते हैं, दिस विल बी O point, the intersection of perpendicular bisectors of AB and BC, perpendicular and bisector. Okay, if you draw a circle of radius OA, draw a circle of radius OA, then you will get the circle which passes through A, B and C, and there is only and only a unique circle which passes through these non-collinear points. So we can say that only one circle can be drawn from the 3 non-collinear points. Okay, next question is, if A cube upon A minus B is added with B cube upon B minus A, then the new expression will be, okay, add simple A cube upon A minus B plus B cube upon B minus A. If we take common from B minus A, we will get A cube upon A minus B minus B cube upon A minus B. If we solve this, then A cube minus B cube upon A minus B, A cube minus B cube, after applying identity A minus B, A square plus B square plus AB upon A minus B. This cancel. So we will get option third. Okay. Next is the midpoint of line segment joining 4a plus 3b and 2a minus b. Midpoint 4a comma 3b and 2a minus b. What will be midpoint? So by midpoint formula 6a upon 2 comma 3b minus b upon 2 is equal to 3a comma b. 3a comma b is the answer. Option 1 is the correct answer. This midpoint M. Okay, easy. Next question is the slope and y-intercept of the straight line 8x minus 7y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is also an easy question. We know that the slope-intercept form of any equation is given by y is equal to mx plus c, where c is y-intercept. C is y-intercept and m is slope of line. So if we write this equation in the form of y is equal to msc, then mx plus c, then we will get 8x plus 6 is equal to 7y and y is equal to 8 upon 7x plus 6 upon 7. Then by compare, m is equal to 8 upon 7 and c, that means y intercept is equal to 6 upon 7. So m is equal to हो गया 8 upon 7 comma y intercept is equal to 6 upon 7. Option 1 is the correct answer. Easy. Okay, so this question is of average level, not so easy. Okay, next question is base area of right circular cylinder is 80 centimeter square. If its height is 5 centimeter, then find the volume. Then volume will be कितना होगा? Volume will be equal to right circular cylinder. What is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h, and you all know that base area is given. Base area 80 and height is 5. Volume is equal to बेटा कितना हो जाएगा? Base area into height. That means 80 into 5 is equal to 400 centimeter cube. Option 4 is the correct answer. That was so easy question. ठीक है? Probability of getting 3 head or 3 tails in tossing a coin 3 times. Okay, it is given that between 3 head and 3 tail or. So or का meaning क्या है? What is the meaning of or? Here 3 heads, probability of 3 head plus probability of 3 tails. And you all know that tossing a coin 3 times, head, 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 okay, and so this is favorable outcome, PA, PB, total outcomes कितने हैं? ये कितना हो जाएगा? PA not PA PB. यहां पर हम इसे लिख लेते हैं favorable outcomes of first and favorable outcomes of second. दो ही है हमारे पास. Okay, so probability of 3 head is equal to 1 upon 8 because total outcomes 8. Okay, favorable outcomes 1 and 1. So probability of 3 tail is equal to also 1 by 8. Now probability of 3 head or 3 tail is equal to 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 is equal to 2 upon 8 is equal to 1 by 4. Option 2 is the correct answer. So guys, this was the question of Tamil Nadu NTSC Stage 1 2022 maths part. Okay, of maths part. So I think questions was so easy. बहुत easy questions थे, but cut off will be high. Cut off होगी high because easy paper आया, so cut off high होगा. Is that clear? So guys, be practice and all the best for your result. Okay, so maths part is complete. Okay, we will meet in next session. Okay, bye, take care everyone.